burning away nicely. Look at that. Lovely. Ooh, hello, Richie. Don't mess with the stove. Wow, yeah. That's a wicked cup you got there, mate.
I know.
Oh, I think we're
running out of goo.
Well, hang on. It might not be goodies. It might be the temperature that's.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, my cup's on fire.
Doesn't look particularly pretty because I split the side of it, and it leaks slightly around the outside as well. But wow, that bad boy works better. I think more holes. So
maybe like that. It's a bit dark down here, isn't it?
Richie's on it.
Well, that's better.
There we go.
I can feel something going on there.
So razor blade on the box.
There's occasional places where I'm going right through the can.
That's okay. Yeah, that's all right.
But it's...
as long as you've got some, you should be able to now use your fingers to be able to crack that apart.
You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon. Yeah. Go on, give it a go.
So we got a nice score line all the way around.
Yeah, and just gently. There we go. Look at that. Boom.
There we go.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Spin that around. That's an absolute beauty.
Look at that.
Well done, Rich. So the next part of the mission is basically to trumpet this base here so that you can fit another piece inside. The next part of the mission, make another one. Just keep on going, score it. Right, just, there we go. Oh, kitchen prepper skills. So we've got two bits of a can here, and what we're going to do is make this alcohol stove. Just put those together. There we go. There we go.
Look at that.
Now, boom. Look at that. That's perfect as well. It's absolutely spot on. So this is a glass chopping board right here. And we're using that to spin the aluminium, to roll the edge of the aluminium so that it fits nicely over the top of the other. That feels like it's wrapped around the radius of this top piece right here. So let's see how indestructible this is. You ready? Here we go. Here it comes. Well, it is.
It's still wandered off.
Here we go. There we go. Look at that.
Yeah, I think I got all of that one.
Lovely. That's a solid little beast. So what we've done is we've used a permanent marker just to mark up approximately where we're going to drill holes. And then we're going to go ahead and drill some holes. Yeah. Okay. Boom. So there it is. What we're going to do is put a little bit of there we go, a little bit of whatever that's called in it. What's it called?
Methylated spirits.
Methylated spirits. And then we're going to light it. And what we're looking for is we're looking for enough meths in here for the outsides to kick off, for everything to warm up. It takes about a minute apparently. Ow!
Yeah. I don't have any hairs on my hand.
And there we go. Finally.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh honey, it's very still.
Wife's complaining at me. Oh dude, it's just finished. I have to fire it back up again. It's nearly there. Okay, good enough.
Can you do it outside?
Yeah, we will do it outside, but
Yeah,
we just
we'll
need
do
it.
it
We
outside.
just need it going.
It's fine.
Oh, look at that little beauty!
Yes.
Don't have any
Sorry.
hairs.
Look at that. Oh,
That's not warm yet. Do you need to warm that up?
no, that's going. That's about where it needs to be. That's beautiful.
That's
Oh,
working well.
look at it!